problem I have playing Linus+Lucy is counting the timing. The first problem I had, though, was actually sitting too low down. From further down, I was struggling strength-wise to hold these shapes with the right hand. So getting a piano stool being up at the right height allows me to push into the notes correctly, which is a big help. The other thing that helps is actually being fluid, and I haven't even tried to just play the scale it's in and get comfortable or warm my fingers up. So first two things are no-brainer. The third thing is, what is the timing of the piece of music? And one problem is that they keep making it different, varying it from one cartoon to the next. So I can only learn to play it as it is written. And what I should have done was got hold of the original sheet music, not the version that's available on the Muse Score website, which is somebody's interpretation of it. But even that, there are two approaches, two versions I've heard, and one of them simply plays 8 notes. So with the left hand you go. But the traditional piece starts on the 1, but very quickly starts on the 8th and leaves a gap on the 1. And plays a double length note on the first note.